Thought it was you.
How old are you today?
5.
5 years old? And did you like our surprise?
Yeah.
Was that so much fun?
Yeah.
Go look at your cake.
Okay.
Over here. Come here.
They said
Over here.
hurry on the scanner.
I'm gonna get it. I want to.
Here's your prize. Oh! Look what I got. A real roll you can. A non-stick one.
Do you want to lick the frosting?
No.
You could take a lick of the frosting.
No, I don't want
Cards
to.
that the girls
Because that's not what birthday girls do.
That's not what birthday girls do.
No.
Sister, how old?
Uncles do?
How old is Gracie today, Irie?
Oh, thank you.
She's 5.
She's 5. And how old are you?
6.
No, you're not. How old are you?
She's 5.
You're 3. You're 3, huh?
Now let's take this out.
And look, do you know what these are? They're rings.
I know. If we take this out,
Oh, don't take that out yet. Not yet.
You want to play with it, huh?
Yeah. Showed up and they were there on the weekend.
Happy birthday to Gracie.
and look at that Santa Claus.
What's he doing?
So there's some kind of territorial who has the rights. And one lady in Lake Town,
Irie, lick the frosting.
she thinks everything is
No,
she's
no, it is.
Taste
But
it.
she should be in control of
you're
the
talking
Lake
to
Town
No,
city. That's my thing.
Grandma Great, lick the
That's my
frosting.
house, shake and dance.
no, no.
Well, they just need to take care of their,
It's
they need to
buttercream.
get that organized.
No,
Delicious.
don't taste it yet.
That's not what birthday girls do.
No.
Oh, you're gonna make her cry.
Let's sing happy birthday to her. Okay, no more. I won't any ever again.
Ready? Happy birthday to you. Oh, we need to do candles first.
Oh,
Hold on, we're gonna light them.
What's?
can you blow the candles? Make your wish.
I already ate it.
What's your wish?
She can't tell.
I can't tell.
Oh, I want to know.
No.
Were you able to peek at your presents?
No.
No.
Me and Irie have a wish and we tell, huh?
Because you got loose lips.
We do have loose lips. We don't care, do we, Irie?
Yeah, it was pretty good. I was surprised he's right now.
What is that?
That's number 5?
It's in the. He's putting them all in the grocery store so far. When you walk in, the ice cream counters there.
Happy birthday.
Wow, look at all the beautiful Christmas. Pretty tree this
There's only
year.
room for
Thank
8
you.
by 10, so he wants 8 by 10.
Okay, ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gracie. Happy birthday to you.
Blow.
Harder.
Harder. Harder.
Harder.
Harder. Closer.
One more.
Woo!
I think your wish is coming true. What is it?
I can't tell.
Is it a trip to Disneyland?
No. Irene!
Oh.
You got a game on I don't have. You have. No, this is